Hello, I'm Frank DeSantis, Product Manager overseeing the Workmate series. The Workmate was launched in 1973 and today is a staple in many households and workshops around the world. I will demonstrate step-by-step how to assemble the WM125 Workmate. Before we start, you will need the following items: a hammer, a flat blade screwdriver, and the provided nut driver. Be sure to read the instruction manual thoroughly before use and follow all warnings and safety instructions. Let's get started. Step 1. Empty the contents of the box and identify all components. Step 2. Empty the contents of each of the parts packs and identify all components. Step 3. Assemble the legs. Guide the bolt through the slot in the vise bracket, the spacer, and the outer leg. Secure it with the locking knob. Repeat this step using the other assembly. Step 4. In this step, mount the rear bracket. Note that the rear bracket is the piece without the BLACK+DECKER logo. Place the rear bracket over the legs, align the holes, and secure the bolt and nut. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver and nut driver to secure. Step 5. Next, repeat the same steps for the front bracket. This bracket has the BLACK+DECKER logo on it. Place the front bracket over the legs, align the holes, and secure with the bolt and nut. Use the flat-bladed screwdriver and nut driver to secure. Step 6. Place the front slide blocks onto the leg assemblies as shown. Place the vise jaw, V-groove facing towards the clamp edge, over the two slide blocks. Insert two self-threading hex head bolts through the recessed holes in the jaw and tighten securely with the nut driver. Repeat for the other side. Step 7. Now it's time to attach the rear vise jaw. Insert the non-threaded rod end of the vise screw and pivot nut assembly through the front hole of the leg assembly. Next, place the rear slide block over the pivot nuts of the screw assembly. Place the rear vise jaw with the V-groove facing towards the clamp edge over the slide block. Then, insert one self-threading hex head bolt through the recessed hole in the jaw and tighten securely with the nut driver. Repeat this step with the other pivot nut and vise screw using the front hole of the leg assembly. Step 8. Assemble the handles. Push the snap-in knobs into the handle arms as shown. Step 9. Place handle arm over the vise screw rod end, align the holes, and secure the roll pin using a hammer. Step 10. Install the rubber feet to the bottom of the legs as shown. Note the correct orientation of the feet. One feature to point out is the orange swivel pegs. These adjustable pegs add versatility when clamping various objects. Now that the Workmate is assembled, I'll show you how to close it and store it. First, loosen both locking knobs. Second, while holding the jaws as shown, tilt the work center boards towards you while lifting up on the front jaw. The work center will begin to swing closed. The compact, lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store. Now you're ready to begin your projects. For more information, visit us on the web at www.blackanddecker.com or call our toll-free number.